With a perimeter of over 153 kilometres, Lake Epollock is quite large. As you can see here, we have plenty of boat ramps whether they're public or we also have private land here.
Now, very important that you're always looking out before you leave for an emergency marker. This is a green sign with white numbers on it. We've got 3 letters and 3 numbers. This shows the GPS coordinates for where you are. While you're on a lake, if you are someone that is going out there and you're boating, it's very important that as you're traveling around the lake, take photographs of the signs, and you'll see some quite big ones on the private land, so that way you know the closest emergency marker to where you're located. So if by any chance there is an accident or an incident or your boat stops working, we can find you. So when you call 000, you quote the 3 letters and 3 numbers, they will be able to find you much, much quicker. Could be that they save time and they save your life.